Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Brushless GPS FPV RC drone by Potensic D60. It is a drone with 1080p camera, live video and GPS return home function. And it is an RC quadcopter for adults with strong brushless motors. Follow me and 5G Wi-Fi transmission. Let's go. The brushless motor, super powerful propulsion, suitable in cold condition. It is more powerful while so quiet. Breakdown rarely occurs and motor replacement is seldom required, which makes your flight more enjoyable. One-axis gimbal and advanced 5G 1080p HD camera. It has one-axis gimbal that works to cancel out pitch and get more stable video recording. The upgraded camera with 110 degrees FOV, that means field of view, lens gives a panoramic view for recording unforgettable moments. 5G 1300 feet transmission and your high quality real-time video. Oh yeah, ideal for selfie. Optical altitude hold technology. It has an optical flow image acquisition system, accurately locks the target, however, and keeps D60 drone stable. It has a GPS-assisted flight. With GPS location, the drone can hover stably and automatically return to home, precisely when its battery is low or the signal is lost. Shot with the easy when the drone can follow you or fly in a circle along the path you set. It has a modular battery with a high capacity of 1800 milliampere hour and an intelligent battery yields up to 20 minutes flight time. Oh, that is awesome. For the recording of the video, you will need a micro SD card as well, of course. And the modular battery is replaceable. That means you can buy a second or a third battery to gain your flight time. That means you can fly about 18 minutes, then have a rest, remove the modular battery and then get in the new battery and you can fly again 18 until 20 minutes, so you can gain your flight time easily. And it's not so expensive to get another battery. The battery is so easy to replace, really. But the awesome thing is the brushless motor. Wow, brushless is awesome. Enjoy a more powerful and intelligent flight with this drone. Equipped with optical flow image acquisition system, the drone will accurately lock the height and location and hover stably. Stable flight experience makes this a perfect drone, and of course a gift for adults. It is, I think, fly this drone after 14 years. Not 14, not for children, really. Because it's a powerful drone and it's not so easy that every child can use this. It has an optical altitude hold tech point of interest, rotation, custom flight passes on board, and of course the awesome follow me function. It has a greater transmission distance. The image transmission distance is up to 300 meters. This is a long range. That means you can enjoy the fabulous 1080p scenery in 300 meters away of you. It has an FPV, says the moments in the flight with 1080p HD camera, 5G transmission, and crystal live video transmissions. And of course, you have a head in it, a camera head. Equipped with this head, the camera is more stable during flight and prevents you from shaky pictures and videos. And of course, you have on this drone 4 upgraded brushless motors. With powerful ultra efficient motors, it can launch towards the stratosphere at a breakneck pace, giving you a powerful but quiet flight. And if you are in action with this drone, the drone will automatically give you alarm protection. When the drone is out of range or has a low battery, it will beep to alert the user to fly back as soon as possible. And of course, there is on board an auto return mode. With auto return to home mode, it can always fly back to take off point as per your instruction or wherever it run out of power or loses the connection, even when you accidentally fly it out of range. The HD camera with 110 degrees area is a nice camera. It is an advanced camera with a huge 10 degrees FOV lens, captures high quality areas, videos and photos with a panoramic view. Besides, gravity sensor enables it to automatically adjust to the best shooting angle. And of course, 20 minutes modular battery. Enjoy a maximum of 20 minutes flight time with FPV transmission off, of course. If you have everything on, it is not 20 minutes. But that is normal in this size of drones. The battery is easy to put or to replace, I told you. And of course, a one-axis gimbal is inside. That cancels out the pitches, more stable video recording. So it is a quadcopter, also called a quadrotor helicopter or quadrotor. It is a multi-rotor helicopter that is lifted and propelled by 4 rotors. Quadcopters are classified as rotorcraft, as opposite to fixed-wing aircraft, because their lift is generated by set of rotors, virtually oriented propellers. Like in this case, it is a drone. And with this drone, you can go up in the air, make awesome shots of your landscape, etc. And of course, you can fly and get an awesome feeling and have fun with that drone, of course. That is the drone itself. I like it really much. Oh yeah. It generally uses 2 pairs of identical fixed pitches propellers, 2 clockwise and 2 counterclockwise propellers. These use independent variation of the speed of each rotor to achieve control. By changing the speed of each rotor, it is possible to specifically generate the desired total thrust to locate for the center of thrust both laterally and longitudinally, and to create a desired total torque or turning force. And of course, in this box you have a remote, and the remote you can equip with your smartphone and get a smartphone app. And with this smartphone app, you are able to get the GPS information inside the drone, and of course you can get some video stuff to make a first-person view of it easily. The remote will need 4 batteries itself too. And of course, the smartphone will use the separately smartphone battery inside the smartphone, of course. And in this box, you have replacement rotors too. If you will have a little accident, you can replace the rotors itself. So in the box is everything what you need. You only have to assemble it and then get in action with that awesome, nice drone. Oh, I am so looking forward.